question.
Oh my God, sir. Why did we cap the entertainment industry? Why ba?
Basically because there is a large opportunity in this industry. And I believe kasi we have multi-businesses. So this industry will benefit all of our other businesses. Since one business fuels the other. So mas lumalakas yung iba pang businesses because of this industry.
Also from our experience kasi before, just for the background of everybody, we were able to bring here kasi a Korean star, kung kilala niyo yung si attorney Woo, si Park Eun-bin, yeah. She was actually our brand ambassador from for our Magic Hair, and then Thai Star, Spring and Becky. So when we were doing projects with them, we actually saw the potential of not just international stars kasi nakita namin sobrang galing ng local stars. So if we were able to do that, why not do it with our own artists? And there you can see these are actually some of the best divas that we have here in the Philippines.
Thank you. And for my question po for some of the artists kung sino man po yung pwede sumagot. Kasi right now, talagang mga music scene, buhay after the pandemic, talagang totally naka-elevate na siya. Karamihan din ng mga press ko na ginagalaw namin, nakasentro sa music. Ano yung masasabi ninyo na right now that you're into this industry tapos sumasabay pa kayo sa lakas din ng original Pinoy music?
Yes, any of the girls could answer that question? Do you have a specific, wala naman. So any.
Okay, sige. So, hello everyone. Good afternoon po. We're just so grateful na after the pandemic, parang lahat kami dumaan na live stream lang. Lagi kaming gumagawa ng paraan na hindi pa rin namin maiwan yung craft namin, yung passion namin sa pagkanta. And ngayon, since unti-unti na tayo nakakabangon lahat, sobrang nakakatuwa lang na makita ulit yung mga tao sumusuporta sa amin, hindi lang sa screens namin, sa screen natin, sa mga phone, but harap-harapan na. At nakikita namin yung ngiti nila every time na nakakausap na namin ulit sila, nakakantahan namin ulit sila. And of course, sa inyo din, we are very thankful na isa din kayo sa palaging sumusuporta sa aming mga singers dito sa Pilipinas na tinatayo din talaga namin ang musika ng Pilipino.
Last question po, may internal competition pa ba sa inyo? Ngayon that you're working together, same addiction, pero may internal competition pa rin ba na may nararamdaman pa kayong ganun?
Aminin mo natin. Cherry. Internal competition. Feeling ko, kasi I work with Hannah, Marian, and actually lahat sila. Kami kasi, we don't see ourselves, like, hindi kami ito yung nararamdaman ko ha, hindi kami in competition talaga. Like, we really help each other. We share ideas with our songs, like mga bali ng songs. Kasi nung sa Queendom kasi, ganun kasi kami tinrain ng GMA na wala talagang competition. So, feeling ko, wala. Ikaw, meron ba? Actually, ito na talaga yung perfect time para hindi ko yung mga hindi. Actually, fun, like a little anecdote lang. When the Born for This concert was first presented to me, I messaged Ate Jessica pa na, tama ba ako dito? Baka naman lang na sinama ako. Parang hindi naman ako belong. Tapos siya pa yung nag-hype sa akin na bakit pa yun iniisip lang. Tapos doon nagkaroon na din kami ng group chat tatlo, the night before the concert. Talagang hinahype namin yung isa't isa na grabe Flong, sobrang galing mo, Ate Jessica, sobrang galing mo. Tapos ganun din sila sa akin. And with Ate Marian and Ate Hannah, having worked with them for so many years now in Queendom, and the fact na yung friendship namin talagang nag-blossom, it just goes to show that there really is no competition. In fact, yung galing ng isa't isa, I believe that that's what highlights everyone. Kasi iba-iba din po talaga kami. Kahit lahat bumibirit, nag-high notes, ganyan. Pero may individuality din talaga kami and lagi kami nagtutulungan. And I think you will see that in the concert series. Kung meron mga competition, baka naman, friendly competition lang. Alam mo yung parang magkakapatid kami, yung nagpapasiklaban kami ng report card sa mga magulang namin sa mga. So, parang ganun lang. For self-growth lang din for each of us. So, yes.
Actually, to add to that, here at GMA, talaga namang uso na po ang collaboration. And among these women, they really collaborate to bring each other and uplift each other. Kitang-kita po natin, these are homegrown Kapuso talents. And right now, GMA, of course, is collaborating. So talaga na-instill ang collaborative effort between these 5 amazing ladies. Can we add to that? Do we have another question, please, sir? I'll go to you. I think...
May mic yan.
Sorry.
Soto na to. Kinig naman siguro.
Soto
na to.
Parang rinig naman. Rinig naman.
Parang
rinig naman.
Rinig naman yung question card. Sila na lang yung mag-mic. The girls na lang yung mag-mic.
Isang Born for This and Versus.
Yes.
So, yung sa Born for This, Priya, Jessica, and Chloe, tell us about your concert. Saan ang tour ninyo at kailan, and what can your fans expect of your concert? Mamaya si Versus.
Okay, so, Born for
Hello po. So, Born for This is, showcase po namin dito yung story po ng journey namin. Kung paano kami nag-start sa singing and paano po kami ngayon. And for our concert tour, wala pa po kaming pwedeng i-reveal na dates and kung saan. So, abangan niyo po. Yeah, this year po yun.
Oh, actually, we can announce na.
Actually, starting November.
We can announce the places.
October, November,
April.
December.
Yeah. Okay, na.
So they were off. Sounds okay. The lineup that we have for the tour, actually we have Bataan, so Bataan province. We have Tacloban, and then Cebu, and then Davao, and more to come actually because we look forward to doing this up to next year. Not just this year, but also up to next year. So we don't know how many more provinces, pero naka-line up na yun.
International.
Kailan start ng provincial tours?
This year po, I think November, inaayos lang yung dates natin for the tour.
Will there be an
November
international
or October.
tour as well?
Ano ba yun?
I'm sorry.
May international tour as well po?
We are planning to do that. Thank you for asking that. Actually, isa pa sa idea, I don't know if it's possible, isa sa idea na naisip namin is yung, ano lang to parang we are preparing this. We don't know the opportunities ahead but basically, Born for This and Versus, back to back, sa international arena, we do not know. So, but that's a possibility because we believe so much in Filipino talents.
Initially po yung provinces is in Luzon pa lang po.
No.
Mindanao na.
Usually we have Davao and Cebu, so we have Visayas and Mindanao as well.
Nag-debut na po sila before, di ba?
Yes, okay. They actually had a successful concert at the Music Museum. Kaya namin siya itutour actually.
And then for Versus, mukhang showdown yata ninyo dalawa.
Yes, I think we should have Miss Marian and of course, Hannah to talk about Versus. Ano bang abangan ng ating mga Shopper Pilipino dito?
Walang internal
Derive
competition.
ka sa pangalang Versus, magpapasiklaban po kami ni Hannah.
Pero walang competition.
Pero healthy competition pa rin.
Oo, syempre.
Walang
competition.